Next one, effects of land pollution. What are the main important effects means already we have seen soil pollution. Here the soil, original quality of the soil eroded. So hence what will happen? The soil pollution takes place. Agriculture activities, soil pollution is too much of chemical, fertilizers, pesticides. It will pollute or it will original quality of the soil get affected. And another important thing, health impact. Too much of chemical, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides we are imposing on any one particular land in order to increase agriculture production. It will adversely affect the human being. We are having so many different types of diseases, especially cancer, each and everything. It is a normal thing takes place in the economy. This is because of too much of chemicals we are using in each and every agriculture activities, each and everything. Another important thing, causes of air pollution. Causes of air pollution, here what is the main important thing? Air pollution, it also leads to land pollution, wasting, dumping and respiratory diseases. It is also plays a very important role for the effects of land pollution. Last one, effect on wildlife. Here the wildlife is also get affected due to the land pollution. Natural environment affected means what will happen? Several species, they just immediately move from their own places and they can switch on to another places. Next one, remedial measures. What are the main important remedial measures? This is the main important causes. This is the main important sources. So in order to control this land pollution, what are the main important remedial measure? Making general awareness among the citizens about recycle and reuse. Just like that we are throwing the garbages from our house or from industries or from construction or from hospitals. What is the thing we have to have in mind means we just have the main important thing, we are the citizen and we are the future generation. So what is the main important thought? We have to keep it in mind. We have to reuse and what is the thing? Recycle the product. Is it clear? So what will happen? The land pollution will completely reduce. And another one, using and buying of more biodegradable product. Biodegradable product means the material we are just throwing, but it will be degrade. Degrade means it will decompose within very short span of time. We can call it as a biodegradable nature. That product only we just use it and we can throw it also. So what will happen? It does not affect the land. Is it clear? And another one, reduce wastage of chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides in case of agriculture production. And different types of cultivation purposes of process is also we can use in times of cultivation, and it also does not affect the original quality of the environment or the land. Last one, minimizing use of plastic. If we are using more amount of plastic and it is not in original quality, we just like that we are throwing means the plastic, it will to degrade or to decompose, it will take more than 100 years. So what will happen? The water during the time of rain, the excess rainfall, it can't able to enter into the ground. And what will happen? The surface water level, it will decreases. Why? What is the main important reason means here the plastic won't be degrade more than 100 years. So use of plastic we have to put a full stop, and as far as possible we have to reduce use of that one also. Is it clear? And another very important topic. So far we have seen 4 pollution over. We have come across air pollution over, water pollution over, last class itself. Now today this class we have seen so many things. That is the thing. First one, air over, water over, noise pollution we have seen, and another important thing, land pollution is also over. In addition to that, very important thing, part D carry 5 marks or part C carry 3 marks. They will ask global warming. From the name itself you can understand the concept. Global means throughout world level. Warming means increase in temperature. Due to more important man-made activities, it only increase the temperature of the economy or the country or the world or the global. Current increase in temperature both on land as well as on water, 100 of years it will take place. Is it clear? Past 100 years we are experiencing this global warming. Why this takes place means most important things comes out, certain important chemicals, chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, coming out from the refrigerator and air conditioner. It also mixes with the atmosphere and it also affects the depletion of ozone layer. So what we can call it as, it is a greenhouse effect. We can call it as greenhouse gases also. What are the 3 important gases? carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, nitrous oxide. These four gases are comes to be known as greenhouse gases. It can leads to greenhouse effects. Clear? 50% of the global warming arises mainly due to the carbon dioxide mixes with atmosphere. Global warming mainly takes place only with CO2, means it's nothing but carbon dioxide. And another important thing, adversely affect the agriculture and ecosystem. Increase in temperature means we can't able to cultivate the crop. If even though we are giving good chemical fertilizer, pesticides, insecticides, each and everything, but what will happen means the agriculture production we can't able to shoot up because of global warming. Increase in temperature means we can't able to increase agriculture production. Is it clear? Good quality of fruits, vegetables we can't able to receive. Another important thing, rainfall, increase in temperature, decrease in rainfall. What will happen? The rainfall it won't increase. The rainfall it will come down. Temperature it will increase. Complete change in the ecological system. During rainy season we are having too hot and too hot time we are having rainy season. Not only that, even in rainy season we are having too hot. Each and every situation takes place. Ecological imbalance only as a result of global warming. And main important thing, what will happen means icy mountain and glaciers melt down. So what will happen because of too much of hot, the sea level is also increases. Another important thing, depletion of ozone layer takes place. So automatically ultraviolet rays directly come from the sun and it affect human being, plants, animals and aquatic things also. Is it clear? And we will see the remaining things in the next class. That's the end of the class. Thank you.